Alright, last set of problems in lesson 4, complex fractions. So I've got a doozy for us here, one that may involve some factoring, and then I have one down here that has something that we haven't really talked about yet. So if you want to go ahead and pause the video and see if you can do some of these by yourself, go for it. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite because that's pretty much where I am. I'm going to need maybe to factor, but let's see how it goes. So I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal, so 3x squared minus x minus 2 over x plus 1 to get rid of that. Now I do know that this factors into something that'll cancel here. This possibly can factor. I'm going to have to do slide and divide. It may generate something that can cancel here. So let's look at this a little bit closer. So x squared minus 1 factors to x plus 1 and x minus 1 over, and then the 3x plus 2, that's not going to factor, but I am going to look to cancel. Alright, over here I've got x plus 1. Here I'm going to need to do slide and divide. So I'm going to slide that over. X squared minus x minus 6 factors to x minus 3 and x plus 2. And then I multiply by 3, so I'll divide by 3. So this ends up being x minus 1 and 3x plus 2. So x minus 1, squeeze this in there, 3x plus 2. There we go. Alright, now let's see what cancels. Yeah, my 3x plus 2's cancel, and my x plus 1's cancel. I already knew that. And so everything cancels except for I have x plus 1 times x minus 1 times x minus 1. But you all know that we can write that a little bit shorter. We can write it as x minus 1 squared. Alright, so that's the answer to problem number 7. I like it written this way, not that way. That one makes me happy. Alright, so last one in this lesson, and then we'll move into lesson 5. Alright, so we're still going to do our keep and then change this to multiply, but then we're going to reciprocate this. We got a small problem though. This is not a fraction right yet. Let's give it a denominator, x plus 2 over 1. So then we're going to do, keep this the same, multiply, change divide to multiply, and then multiply by the reciprocal. And hopefully you can see my x plus 2's are going to cancel, and that leaves a 1 over 5. I love these. I love things that look terrible, but are so easy to do if you understand the techniques. Because people are like, I can't do that. But if you understand what's going on, you totally can. Alright, that's the end of lesson 4. I need you to try some practice by yourself or with a partner. I need you to watch other videos if you're still stuck. Remember, you need to take a lesson quiz and get at least an 80 on it. If you're not getting an 80, you need to practice some more. You are more than welcome to ask me questions or somebody else if they're able to help you out. But see if you can do some of these complex fractions. I have seen 1 or 2 of them pop up in ACT practice because the ACT is always looking to scare you. So see if you can handle some of this.